Hey, it's Gracie with WTI. Does it get super cold where you guys live in the winters? Well, if so, then you definitely need to check out this heated hand muff from ORORO. If it wasn't for this thing, our fingers would be frozen solid. I'm a little upset that we didn't find this sooner, but I'm so happy that we finally did. I think this is such a wonderful invention. All you do is just tie this around your waist, press the button to turn it on, and within seconds, you will start to feel that warmth inside the cuff. The inside is made out of a super soft fleece lining. Honestly, feels like you're putting your hands inside a large fluffy cloud or a cotton ball. It's instantly pleasing. And the best thing about it is that it's cordless. So it comes with a rechargeable battery that can last up to 14 hours on a low setting. And it has 3 different temperature levels: low, medium, and high. And a bonus feature I didn't realize until later was that the USB port on the battery can also be used to charge your phone as well. This is so great, especially when we go on long hikes this winter. And the adjustable waist strap makes it so easy for my husband and I to share this. He climbs towers for a living, and the worst thing is when he gets all the way to the top and his fingers are stiff as a board. So this has been very useful for both of us. It's got 2 nice sized pockets for you to put your cell phone or any other belonging while you're on the go. So no matter what outdoor activity you're doing, this will help keep all the wind and the cold air out and keep all the warmth inside this cuff and keep you nice and warm. And that's our point of view.